So how does it feel to actually be in a real bike sport now?
BMX is real.
So what's the worst injury you've had while riding bikes?
I haven't really had an injury. I went over the bars yesterday.
Lucky man.
Yeah, on a drop that's not rollable.
There you go, it's not rollable, folks.
Yeah. Beep, 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 beep. So I know we're filming.
I've just waited for a moment like this my whole life. I can't do it.
That was weird.
The boys from Mallard are here. We are here, correct?
We are here, yep.
Awesome. So, did we have a good sleep last night?
Oh, she was alright. Very good. No, very good.
Are we racing today?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yep.
And how do we think we're going to go?
Oh, just hopefully get past qualifying and then cruise down race run.
Make it down the hill.
Hey guys, welcome to Charlie Petrel's Line Choice here at Beauty. We're at the last shoot, watching some carnage, so let's get into it. Coming through. Oh, it's Benny! On the midline, send it Benny! That was nice, I like what he did there. Oh, another rider coming through. Oh, taking the inside line, flips it. Mitch, go Mitch, is taking the wide line. Oh, up wide. Midline, I like that. Sending it. Everyone get out of my way. So we're up here on Stephen with all the Groms. What did everyone think of that?
That was huge.
Yeah, I couldn't have said that better myself.
Literally.
What? Yep. Can you move out of the way? Sorry. Just that way a bit. Out of his way. You're in his way. What did you think of that crash?
Absolutely cooked. Like 10 out of 10 cooked.
Oh, he's up! Oh, he's up. That fella was coming through. What were you screaming on the mic?
Yeah, dog. And oh shit.
Is that you go to?
Yeah, with Scotty. I think he hit us on the rock. I think he's bleeding.
Oh wow. Good thing I've got the Crocs on.
Yeah, just put him in.
They're in full drive mode. Are you guys enjoying watching the race today?
Mate, the stacks have been hectic. We've had a few people come down, right? Absolute scenes here. It's hectic. Yeah.
Sick. Hey guys, I'm here for Eliminate, and we've got Asian Sens here. What do you think they will run this track?
There's no chance in hell we're running this. Look at it. We've had 3 crashes within 30 minutes.
So you reckon they'll run a different track for race runs?
They're not even going to run this again, that's the thing. There's no way. We're going to ride right here.
We've got someone coming through. Go Jess. Taking the inside line with confidence. Wow. Great.